Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.3 trillion, up 0.4% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance is sitting at 50.9%, guys. It is extremely low, and it keeps pulling down, and this is exactly why we are seeing a lot of green across the board for altcoins in the last 24 hours. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. So if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, guys, very interesting things are happening for Vechain. Vechain is currently trading at 18.49 cents. It's up 8.8% in the last 24 hours. And in USD comparative, it's also up 8.6% in BTC comparative. It keeps climbing the rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, and we're currently sitting at top 15. So that's a very bullish sign. And well, our market cap is $11.9 billion, almost $12 billion. And look at that trading volume, guys. Look at that trading volume, $2.8 billion trading volume. This is showing us how much interest there really is for VeChain right now. And I am not surprised whatsoever. If we're zooming out right now, we are seeing in the last 30 days VeChain is up 134.2%, and in the last 24 hours it's up 8.8%. But if we're looking at in just the last 2 weeks, guys, in the last 2 weeks it's up a staggering 110%. Wow. So yeah, if we're looking deeper into the charts right now, we are seeing VeChain holding around around the 18 cents level, pretty strong. As I mentioned, there is a lot of demand kicking in for VeChain right now. A lot of people are finally starting to realize what VeChain really is solving, and this is exactly why we are seeing so much interest in this project. You guys know my stance on VeChain. And I have been saying for the longest time, guys, once we start moving, we will move very fast. And this is exactly what we're seeing. I believe the reason why we are seeing such fast growth, we were waiting for that 10 cents mark for such a long time. But look at what happened now. We are almost about to touch 20 cents. This goes to show, once the masses really start to dig into the markets and actually look into a project, so basically what I'm trying to say is, once the masses really start figuring out about a project, this is exactly what we see, especially when we are in a bull run. We are seeing some very interesting things happening with VeChain. As you guys may know, the Salesforce partnership, Salesforce came out and said they are testing VeChain Thor blockchain within their organization, and that got a lot of people excited, guys. And this is exactly why we are seeing a lot of price movement to the upside very fast as well. But what people don't realize is that for the longest time, VeChain has been partnering with one of the biggest a lot of these big organizations around the world, big companies. But again, it was being slept on because other altcoins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin were extremely hyped. So a lot of projects with real use case, such as VeChain, Theta, Polkadot, these projects were being slept on, and Chili's, and now these projects are picking up hype once a lot of people are doing their research on it. If you are new to the channel and you want to just look into the partnerships VeChain is really with, you guys could see right now VeChain has been partnered with BMW, DHL, Walmart, H&M. Like, these are some big names, guys. And now AWS partnership came out at the perfect time. Even though it's not like they're using VeChain for good, they're testing it right now. But still, that's a huge milestone for VeChain, because it's such a big organization they're working with, and it's known around the world. So a lot of people are very excited, but people really need to dig in that VeChain has already been doing this for a long time, and this goes to show. If you do your due diligence and research and invest into projects that you believe in, and only invest what you can afford to lose, rewards will be distributed to the people that are patient, and that's exactly happening to the people that bought up VeChain very early. So where could I now see VeChain go, you may be asking? As I mentioned, there's a lot of demand kicking in for VeChain. VeChain has been, trading sideways around this range for just a couple days at this 18 cents mark. We gotta look at both the positives and the negative. Let's say Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, I am going to take a breather, and Bitcoin goes down. Obviously, the entire market, the crypto market, follows Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the leading indicator. So I believe VeChain could even fall further. And again, whales do take profits, guys. Whales do take profits, and nothing can stop that. So if we were to see some sort of pullback, I could see VeChain go down. Let me show you guys right now. So I could see VeChain go down to this level right here and trade sideways for a while around that 16 cents range. And if it tries to fall further, we have a strong support around this 12 cents range. I do not see a fall down to that, but if Bitcoin has a flash crash, we cannot, we cannot. We cannot guarantee, I'm sorry, yeah, we cannot guarantee that Bitcoin is just going to stay around these levels. We could see a crash. We could see whale doing manipulation, and if that occurred, there is a downside potential. But what I'm predicting is that I believe, due to the fact that there's so much volume, I believe if we just push a little bit, we get a little bit more push into the volume, we could see VeChain hit that 20 cents mark, and I believe we will see a retracement around this 18 cents level, and trade sideways for a while. But if it goes down, there's a strong support around that 15 cents mark, and I do not see it go below that unless Bitcoin does have a flash crash, as I have just mentioned below. But what I'm saying is that I could see VeChain, because VeChain literally right now is, if we're looking at it, it's literally around like just 5% away from its, roughly 4.38% away from its all-time high. And guys, once the all-time high happens, it's price discovery mode, and there's no resistance, so VeChain can fly, like sky's the limit. But I believe we will touch 20 cents and have a retrace, or I believe people will take profits around this level, and I believe we will have a retrace around, retrace and trade sideways at that 18 cents mark. If we trade fall even further, there's very strong support, in my opinion, around that 15 cents mark. But if it falls further, as I mentioned below, we will have a very strong support around that 12.7 mark. But I do not see it go there, because of the fact that there's a lot of demand for VeChain right now, and a lot of people are finally starting to realize what VeChain is really solving, real use case, real working product, and bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. I cannot be more bullish whatsoever. And yeah, like you guys have to realize, nothing goes straight up forever, guys. Nothing goes straight up forever. There's always going to be some sort of correction here or there, because people tend to take profits, and I do not blame them, because we're here to make money, and that's part of the cycle. So I believe that is going to happen, but let's see. But this month, guys, due to the fact that what's happening, what we're seeing right now around the space, a lot of, like I said, a lot of people are finally starting to realize what VeChain is all about. We are seeing Google Trends at its all-time high. A lot of people are searching the project and want to do their research and to see what they're really doing, and we are seeing exactly what's happening. I believe if we were to get even a more push, like more volume kick in, more demand kick in, we could even possibly touch 30 cents this month. Literally, we could touch 30 cents this month, but this is my own personal opinion, guys. Only time will tell. But as of now, the next target for me is 20 cents. I believe we'll touch 20 cents very soon. We're only away. Let's check that right now. We're only away just 10% away from 20 cents, guys. Just 10%. So that's very achievable in my opinion. And I believe we will see some sort of retrace after that. But yeah, that's a quick update for you guys for Vechain. Vechain is looking very strong right now, guys. A lot of demand for it, and we are starting to see the masses finally starting to get into Vechain, starting to realize the actual potential it has. As you guys may know, I personally believe that Vechain will take over the crypto space and be one of the top 5 cryptos in the next 3 to 5 years if they keep delivering what they are doing right now. But that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. And lastly, I want to share this with you guys. If you guys have not seen this, Euro Sniper went on Twitter and said the biggest alt run in the history is starting. So if we're looking, guys, this is just the start where we are right now. And this was the last bull cycle start. We're currently here right now. And you guys saw what happened in 2017, the parabolic bull run. And a lot of analysts are calling that we will see something like that again, or even the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen. And I believe that we will see it, but only time will tell, like I said. And guys, I want to share something very interesting with you guys. You know, I strongly believe that VeChain will make a lot of people millionaires this year, and it already has made a lot of people millionaires already at the current price range. Because if we look at just last year, guys, 1 year 1 year ago, exactly from this day, VeChain was trading at 0.0036 cents, guys. So let's just say you came out into the market, you did your due diligence and research, and you had $2,000 to invest. And let's say you invested $2,000 at that time at 0.00, let's just say 37 cents. And you would have gotten in exchange for 540,000 VeChain tokens at that time. And let's say you believed in the vision, you saw what VeChain would do, and you did not sell, you held strong, because you saw the vision. Guess what that your 2,000 would be worth right now? We'll times that right now by 0.18. $97,297, guys. This goes to show my reasons to share this with you guys. This goes to show this is a perfect example right in front of your eyes. If you do your due diligence and research, and you actually believe in a project and invest what you can afford to lose and have strong hands, your patience will be rewarded. And the people that held since then, congrats, you guys deserve these gains. You guys deserve these gains. And like, this goes to show what power a crypto really has. But you have to do your due diligence and research, and always invest what you can afford to lose. And patience is key. Patience really does pay off for people who do have patience. But yeah, I think this is a quick update for my VeChain family. You guys have been showing me so much support. You guys want me to make a lot of VeChain videos like every single day, so I am delivering that for you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. It really does mean the world to me. Like each and every one of you that supports me, I appreciate you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry. And yeah, guys, I road to 10,000 subscribers. This is just the absolute start. And let me know where you could see VeChain going at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And yeah, I believe this is just the absolute start. And yeah, stay safe out there though, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.